Today we're showing you a MASSEY Ferguson 231S tractor. It's a two-wheel drive tractor. The tractor was a local unit here. The fellow that owned the tractor died, and his widow just simply had no more need for the tractor, so that's why the tractor is back on the market. Tractor runs and works as it should. There are no known mechanical issues with the machine. It does have the Perkins diesel engine, 3-cylinder Perkins diesel. It is prior to all the Tier 4 emission regulations, so it is a pre-emission engine. Has the foldable rollover bar, some rear work lights back here, top link and drawbar both with the machine. Eight-speed transmission. Hours are 578.4. You're looking for a nice brush hogging tractor, hay raking tractor, anything to that nature. This one's going to fit the bill pretty well. It's got a homemade weight on the front here. It's a pretty clean little tractor. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used machines, please contact us at massedtractor.com.